A blender is a kitchen and laboratory appliance used to mix, crush, pure or emulsify food and other substances. A stationary blender consists of a blender container with a rotating metal blade at the bottom powered by an electric motor that is in the base.
also include the equipment in the blender. When the white is finished, we immediately rinse it. Step to dry it and wait for 1 minute. Step 3 after 1 minute. Wipe it off with a clean wipe.